Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable developer mode on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and search for settings. Best result, check them back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, go down and select Chrome OS settings on the left side. And then there should be something underneath developer mode. So you just would select disable developer mode, assuming it was enabled. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.